Pain shooting from the back all the way down the leg, numbness, tingling. Instead of immediately going to surgery and going down that route, try these 4 exercises that I use in the clinic every day to calm nerves, improve mobility, and get you moving without as much discomfort. Stay till the end because exercise number 4 is my favorite for calming down irritated sciatic nerve. Here's a little knowledge bomb for you. Sciatica is not a diagnosis, it's a symptom. The sciatic nerve can be irritated with things like herniated disc, spinal stenosis, muscle tightness, or even inflammation. The goal isn't to just stretch everything, it's finding what is actually causing the stress and the pressure on the nerve and finding movements that we can do that can help reduce that pressure. If any of the exercises dramatically increases your pain or increases numbness and tingling or severe weakness in the leg, stop and seek a medical professional. Lie on your stomach, place your hands underneath your shoulders. Slowly press your upper body upward while keeping your hips on the floor or the table. Only go as far as comfortable. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds before slowly returning back down. Perform 10 reps. If your leg pain begins moving back towards your spine instead of farther down your leg, that's often a good sign. It's actually called centralization. Sit tall in a chair. Straighten the affected leg while pulling your toes towards you. At the same time, gently look upward. Return by bending the knee while looking down. Move slowly without forcing the stretch. Perform 10 to 15 reps. Remember, you should feel gentle movement, not aggressive stretching. Start sitting in a chair, cross one ankle over the opposite leg. Lean your chest down towards your legs. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times per side. This can be especially helpful if the piriformis muscle is contributing to irritation around the sciatic nerve. Start on your hands and knees. Brace your core. Extend one arm and the opposite leg. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Return slowly. Alternate sides. Perform 10 reps each side. The bird dog strengthens your core and improves your spinal stability without placing excessive stress on your lower back. Remember, the best exercise for sciatica depends on what kind of sciatica you have. Some people will get better with extension exercises. Other people will get better with nerve glides or stretching or mobility and movement type of exercises. So find which works best for you, and that's what I want you to do more of. If you found this helpful or you learned something, please hit the like and subscribe button.
Valley Rehab, Physical Therapy and Return to Work Center.